All right, hey everybody. I know I did say I had one more video for you. I did say that. I just have more deals than I thought I would. So, okay. I know my little desktop is all over the place and I'm not showing my face because I gotta go work. But first of all, I'm probably just late. Now this was live when I found it. Maybe you can go in store or try to finagle your way. Usually, once it says it's out of stock online, it's a done deal. But you might have some luck. So they had this angle grinder with the power stack kit, starter kit. So it's the battery and then the charger and then it's a grinder for 129. Now, if you know you've been following the power stack, again, I don't want to say I'm not a huge fan, but I just wouldn't buy one. Like it would have to be free for me to get this power stack. But this kit alone is only 149. So to get a $20 discount plus an extra tool, that's a great deal. Moving on. Hopefully this is still up. All right, same deal here. But you get this is the what is it? Oh, it's not an oil. This is sheet sander, right? Yeah, there we go. Sheet sander. So you get your sheet sander plus this power stack kit. It's 139. So let's scroll down real quick to see if there's anything else like that. This is stuff I think I looked at. No. See, as you can see, that sheet sander is still normally 139 itself. So you're getting this free. So great deal there. Um, no, this is about that warranty. I think I didn't show the video there. That's a whole nother video right there. But now let's go ahead and head on over to, let's see real quick while we here if Home Depot has anything special today. And they don't, but then they do. Hold on. Let me pull this up. Oh, well, I'm supposed to be doing other stuff. Come on, y'all. All right. I literally just ordered this. All right. So you got to be careful. So this 219 right here, it comes with a free gift. Boom. So, and it's hackable, obviously. It comes with the power stack. And it seems like they're on this blitz for the power stack stuff. So let's see what else they have. They just have these. Okay. They have all these product numbers. I can't really go through all that right now. Let's see what that is. But uh, yeah, this is one. And this is a good deal because this is 1 inch SDS plus and it is 2.6 joules. Now, I didn't post this video yet. Again, I make more videos than I post on the compact version of this that I made a video on a few months ago. It had been 90 days ago because guess what? I'm a week past my expiration date for returning it. And that thing would not hammer that rod into the ground. So I have a little footage here, but it wouldn't hammer that thing into the ground. So I don't recommend that one. I'm going to sell that one and I'm going to get this one instead for an extra $10 total cost to me. And it's much more powerful. It's almost twice as powerful than the other one. So hopefully this will do the job. But anyway, that's it for today. I'll play around, might make another video, play around and look at what other tools are included in this kit. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.